I am ready for my trip.
Do I have everything? My passport is safe. I will miss you all.
See you in 3 days.
I need more fuel. Where's fuel?
Water is important. The train is coming. Ah! It is so huge. This bag is a bit heavy. Oh, this seat is comfortable. The world is moving. I love reading on trips. The train is wobbly. Careful, it is hot. It is dark now. Oh, hello again, son. There is the city. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ha! Everyone is in a hurry. Going up. Taxi, please.
Oh. These are so tall.
I have a reservation. Going to my room. Wow, what a nice room! The air feels different.
I will go here first.
Cross the street now. The park is peaceful. The ducks are cute. Oh. They smell lovely.
There is so much art.
I like the blue one. Water is cold. My favorite. Flavor. The city is glowing. I am hungry. This is the best pasta.
Bravo! Great music.
The river is dark. Books are magic. Oh.
This is my quiet time.
I am Ro. I am writing to my family.
That feels fresh.
I will call Nova. I am having fun. The city never sleeps.
Day 2 begins.
I want the fruit. Oh, we up. Oh. It is very crunchy.
Time for a walk. The water is blue. We made it! Look at the water, isn't it beautiful? I can't wait for this trip.
The city looks small.
It smells so good.
Imagine the look on their faces when they see this amazing playground. He is very talented. Pollen, Sigaru.
Array, I am going back. Oh. Ooh, they will be happy.
Almost home now.
I am here.
Open your presents. Home is the best place.